Good evening. Dr. Gabriel of Cerebral Core Disease Sciences and first mostly, a dreamer. Every morning on my cardio glider, I skim through the financial algorithms that I can use to bridge all of us brothers and sisters to this canyon of wealth that we all coexist in, sputtering. I find myself 10 years from today the same guy I wanted to be 4 months ago. And I'll tell you why. Basically, what it came to was the act of an observer watching the quantum-based computing systems had a different outcome than what was set forth in the laws of physics. So I stood back and I said, how can this be happening? Getting fired from the research team that we had originally come across had actually been one of the best things for me and my career as a research pathologist financially. Because having said no to what I found exponentially, the research was able to grow, removing the master narrative down by formalities and bureaucracy, and I reverted back to my original acronym. We often think of ourselves as the onlooker. When given a range of data, bar graph, scatter plot, it's easy to think, why is this being faxed to me? Here I am in a room full of dogs auditioning for the same role I was born to play. In stigmatizing the mistakes at Rayon, we came to the realization that it wasn't necessarily to be wrong, it was to be creative. And I'm here this evening in Monterey, California, making the case for an extraordinary human creativity. Windows 95 pipe screensaver comes out. I'm 7 years old. This was groundbreaking for me. I saw a screensaver going in and out and left and right, jumping over the XYZ plane. It was incredible for me. At first, a laundry detergent advertising campaign turned to a computer-generated Lucasfilm-based building block of what is proportionally the building blocks of matter, aka the elements of our universe, and not the Pokemon Go kind that you see my son is. Putting all of my ideas into a cauldron and stirring them up had turned out to be one of the best decisions I had ever made for myself as a bail bondsman. However, running in a virtual treadmill of ideas has always proven to culminate a conclusion. And as I can see, my 15 minutes are almost up here on my timer here on this beautiful day in Monterey, California. I leave you with this. One day comes at one time, and the answer is never no.